Hey guys, I want to share with you all a quick remedy I found. That's my daughter. Um, to help you get through this pain. If you're watching this video, you're probably going through a lot of pain that I did go through for the past 2-3 years, and again recently. Uh, I've had pilonidal cyst come up and cause me a lot of pain. For the past couple of years, I want to preface this that this is a remedy. This is not a cure, but it is a remedy to make it go away, where you can get your life back together, where you can feel normal, where you can go and not be in pain. It's a solution to the issue that I found, and it's helped me a lot. Honestly, I wouldn't be sharing this if it didn't help me. But hopefully, if you're watching this and you're going through a lot of pain, you can do this. You can have a family member go get these items, help you apply them, and hopefully help you get back to normal in a day or two, because it helped me a lot, and I want to help as many people as possible feel better, because it's a lot of pain. So I had a pilonial cyst. So what is a pilonial cyst? It is a small bulge near the tailbone, in your back, that think of it like if you've ever been burnt on your, like you touch something hot and you get that little pus ball, little gray skin. It's similar like that. It's like a ball in the back, a little sack that will fill up with blood, debris, pus, that as it fills up it expands, and it can get infected, and when it gets infected, it causes a lot of pain, a whole bunch of pain, where you can't lay down on your back, you can't lay down on your side, you have trouble standing, you have trouble walking, you have trouble sitting down, you can barely drive because you can't sit down. It's a lot of pain. So these are caused by being overweight. They're caused by sweating a lot. They're caused by having a lot of body hair. They're caused by, I said, overweight, body hair, sweating a lot, and I believe they said body hair, and it could run in the family. I'm not sure about that, but my dad did have this issue, and I have it, and it's not fun. So um, if it happens to you, you're gonna be in a lot of pain, and I want to share with you a small remedy. Um, I had my first one about 3 years ago, and I didn't know no solution. So I ended up going to the hospital after a lot of pain. I couldn't stand it. I went to the ER, and they took me in. They saw it. They cut it open, cleaned it out. But the doctors and the nurses, they had no fun, because they have to cut it, lance it, clean it out, all the pus and debris coming out, all the blood. It stunk the whole room. It stinks. It's a horrible smell. But as soon as they cut it open, I just felt such a relief when they cut it open. But to get it cut open, it hurts a lot, because the area got inflamed. It got all red and tender. And when it gets red and tender, you barely touch it, you're in a lot of pain. And they can't numb it down because it's already inflamed. So that's what they did. They cut it, cleaned it out, and they said I would have to get surgery, where they would have to open it up, dig in, clean it out, and close it up, whole process. For that, I got a big bill in the mail. It was above $7,000. It was a big bill for the first time. So the second time, about 2 years later, I was not trying to get another bill. So I started researching online. When it started hurting, I kind of knew what was going on, because the pain felt very similar. So I went and I researched online, and I saw that there was a solution for Epsom salt, where you can take a bath, you take a bath, and you can go in the water with Epsom salt, and it would help relieve the area and make it not hurt a lot. So I did that, and it helped a lot, but it it took a while. I still had to go through a lot of pain, and I had to again go to the hospital, have it cut open, because the Epsom salt would, relieve the area for a little bit, but it did not make it where it would open up. I gave it a couple days, but I ended up going to the ER as well. This second time I had better insurance, and I had some money in the HSA and all the bills. The hit was still big, but not as much. And then recently, about a month ago, came back, and I found a better solution, very cheap solution that I want to share with you guys today. I'm sorry for all this rambling, but I just kind of want to tell you guys about that. I've had this issue happen, and it's not fun. It's a lot of pain, and I know that if you're watching this, you're probably in a lot of pain right now. I'm sorry for rambling for a little while, but I found a solution that's very cheap. And I just went by Walmart, and I went ahead and bought it again because I want to show you guys what it is. And it involves two items that you probably have in your house: baking soda and white vinegar. These two. So what it is you want to make a little, like a little mountain. Make a little, little mound of baking soda, and put in plenty of white vinegar to where it would be like a liquidy mess. Just a liquidy mess, mix it in. I made this, but you want something like this, like a little goop. See, like a little goop. And what you want to do with that is apply the little goop liberally. Just make a lot, and just, well, don't slam it because you're gonna be in a lot of pain. Just put it on top, very liberally. Just put a lot of it on top in the area, and go lay down in somewhere safe. Go to sleep. What this does is the baking soda and the white vinegar makes the skin be more tender, where it will make it the cyst progress faster, and it'll have it open up. It'll pull it up. The white vinegar and the baking soda kind of pull up all the pus and all the bad stuff of the skin, and makes it where it comes out of your body. And I'm telling you, when you feel the liquid coming out, you're going to be very relieved, and you're going to be in a lot less pain. And it's not very expensive. This was $1.50, less than $1.50 with tax, and this is like $1.30. So less than $4, you have a treatment. And you can buy the big bottles like $3, and you can buy the big box like $3, $4. I mean, less than $10, you can have treatment for a whole year. And this is it's not instantaneous where you put it on and 5 minutes later it goes away, but apply it, and I'm telling you, like in a day or two, it's gonna open up. It's gonna be tender, and it's gonna take all the pus out. It's gonna stink. I mean, the pus in the little sack smells horrible, so when it comes out, you're gonna smell it. But just be aware, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel like a little warm stream coming out in your back, and just it has to go home, or if you're at home, just take a shower. I mean, clean up, and just keep it at the house. It's a very simple solution for $4. It's very simple treatment that helped me, and I wanted to share this video. Hopefully someone going through a lot of pain can get an item from your house, 2 items from the house, or you can go to the store, get someone to go to the store, and do this treatment, and hopefully it helps you like it helped me. If you have any questions, any comments, please post them below. I would love to talk about this, and hopefully we can find a solution to your issue that you can live without pain. Thanks for watching. Gotta go home now. See you guys soon.